So we have finished this two series MCBs. Okay, and next I want to introduce you for the L7 series. Okay, first I want to show you some unique. That means you cannot see very often in the market. You can see this is also the L7's design, but you can see this shape or design is totally different from our normal MCB because this one is you can see this have two pins. This MCB is different from the normal MCB. You can see normal MCB we have the clip and the install in the bus bar. Okay, in the distribution box, and we have one bus bar and just put in the bus bar here. But this one, you can see this one is one clip. They have one pins in the distribution box. It just connected with the pins, so it's connected. Also very easy. But this one is not used in the common market. It's only used in some Middle East countries, and some Europe countries. Okay, and this one we also you can see have two different colors, white color and the black colors. Okay, and this will also make 10Ks, no doubt, because L7 we are all making 10K breaking capacities. Okay. So now I would like to introduce you for the normal design MCBs. Okay, first one is this one. This is the basic design for the L7. Okay, or we can say the first generation. But this one is still very popular in India, Bangladesh also, in some Europe. Because the original. Okay. Second, I would like to show you this one. This is second generation. A little change for the outside for the shape, but the inside is all the same. So this one, you can see for knob color we can make different amperes and we use different colors just to identify it to show that the MCB is very beautiful and to indicate the different amperes in different colors, so you will easily understand when you see the knob color you will see which ampere it is. So it's very convenient design. So this design we also copied from it. You can see this is our pattern design. So we also make the different color knob. Okay, you can see because this knob covers. This knob covers can take out, but now we need to use tool to take out. So we only need to change these covers. So to change the color, the base is no problem. So this one also the L7, but the design is more beautiful. Okay, let's see. And this design we have one different compared to other L7. We have put one dust-proof plate on these two screw holes. Okay, you can see this one and this one. This one I take it out. Okay, you can see this. This design I think is very sweet because sometimes when you install the circuit breaker without any covers or proof, that means, for example, if you install in the outside and if you install in some place that some children or some people can easily touch it. So normally you can see this hole. If some children use one iron rod or something to touch this, to put into this, to tight the screw. So when the MCB is working on, so if you touch it will be badly hurt or injured. So this designs, this one you can let's say to stop it happens. Okay, this is very unique designs, and now many manufacturers is copy that to make it more safe for the MCBs. Okay, coming is the this one. This is also our own designs based on the L7. We changed the outside shape and with the inside, make the inside is the same as the L7. But this one is how to say, this design is more unique, and you can see this. We have make one windows, the glass windows here, and this MCB. Uh, the quality performance is much better than the other designs because this one we have making the 15 ka for the braking capacities, and it's already passed the testing. But why we doesn't push to the market? Because the 15 ka is not used too much, and the material request is very high request, which means the price is very very high. But we are doing the testing. We are doing the 15 ka braking capacity. First, we are just to check how much ka maximum this MCB can do, and also to check our technology team. That means how much they can make, how much ka they can make maximum. So we do the 50k just to check the products or to check our abilities. So this one normally we use in 10k because now you see 10k is very common, and all the materials we are using is getting also common and common. Before for the 10k we are using the best bimetals, and the coin also the best, especially for the contact tips point. We are using the AGC5, but now AGC4 is okay. Also AGC3 can pass 10k also. So the technology getting better and better. So which means the cost is reducing day by day for the 10Ks. Okay. Except the MCB, now I would like to introduce you some RCCBs. RCCB, we are introduced this one to match the L7. Okay, you can see this is the F F360 design. I think if you are in these areas, you will know the name. You can see this is for this RCCB. We have two different type. The first one is this type. This is the plastic or the nylon body, the nylon bodies. And the second design is for the backlight body. You can see this is the backlight. You can hear the sound, the backlight. Okay, actually, backlight is the first generation for these RCCBs because at the beginning, the engineer think the RCCB, the most important is for the fireproof, and they find the backlight in the fireproof performance is very much better. So they're using this backlight. So this backlight body RCCB still popular in some countries, some markets. But since the technology getting more and more neutrals, or we can getting better and better. So the, now we have developed the newly materials for the nylons, which also we can have the same quality, same fireproof grade for this compared to the backlight. So now we are introducing this one to the customer mostly for the backlight for the nylon bodies because compared to the backlight and nylon, the nylon is very easily to broken when you transportation or when you take it or when you use it, easily to broken. You can see because it's very clip. And the second, the weight weight is less for the during transportation. If the weight is less, or we can say it's more safe because if too heavy when you transportation, so we have some damages. Okay, so here is the L7 series MCB and other CBs. Okay, so if you are interested in my products, okay, you can contact with me anytime.